to look like a construction worker in Brookhaven. Alright, first you're gonna need a uniform. You're gonna do a uniform. Search of construction. I recommend any of these here. Like, most of these are nice, like this one. Just go for this one for today. And we'll just see if there's any construction pants. Go for the blue jeans if you're one. But I'll just go for the black pants. And for the helmet, you don't need to search, they actually have one. Just let me show you real quick. Okay. And the hairstyle, you can, I'll just go for grey hair. You can go like this hair. So just search up buzz cut and you see all these flat hairs, which is cool. Go for this one. And you can make your skin tone, whatever. That's it, guys. Bye.